how to submit an assignment. More than likely in your course you'll be required to submit assignments periodically. When you get into your course will be broken up into a series of weeks. And within each week you may have an assignment that needs to be submitted. And for example, if this was week 1 within the course, this more than likely would be labeled week 1 assignment. The icon is always the same, has a hand turning in a paper. So the first thing you've got to do is create the paper. You typically will create the paper using a word processing software such as Microsoft Word, OpenOffice, or even Google Docs. So once you have completed step 1 in creating and finishing the assignment or paper, the second step, of course, is to make sure you have a copy of that on your computer. Once you have a copy of your assignment or paper created and saved to your computer, then it's time for the submission process. So when we're ready for the submission process, we're going to go into the course and we're going to select the assignment link that we are turning in. So we're going to click on this link here, and you're going to have an Edit Submission button here. You're going to click on that, and once you click on that, this is very similar to adding a picture to your profile. In fact, it's the exact same thing. You can either drag or drop your file in here, or you can simply click Add, Browse, and then find where it is. I actually have an assignment right on my desktop that I can use. So I'm going to look on my desktop, and here it is, week 1 assignment. So I'm going to double click on that. You will see it populate here in the attachment section, and then click Upload this file. Once I do that, we can see that my document has submitted. There's what I named the file, and all I have to do then is click Save Changes. Once I've clicked Save Changes, you'll be taken to this page. You will see that it has been submitted for grading, that it has not been graded yet. We can see when I last modified it, and then we can see the actual file here, which I can then click on and look at, just to make sure it's the right one. Now let's say this wasn't the right document. I accidentally uploaded week 2's assignment. For some weird reason I was working ahead. Well, what you can do then is click Edit Submission. Now if this is the correct paper or document that you wanted to upload, then you're done. Then you can just go and click and go right back into your course via these links up here. But let's say it's the wrong one, or I made some edits and I want to upload a newer version of it, which you can. So I'm going to click Edit Submission, and then I'm going to click on the actual document that I want to remove, and then I'll click Delete, and then click OK, and then that will disappear, and then I'll go through the same process to add the updated or modified or correct file. And then of course that will appear, and then I'd click Save Changes again. And then it would appear, and then it would give me a different modified date here. And so that's kind of how that works. And that is how you upload documents as assignments.